house for?
This is the bathroom. Living room-nya cuma kayak gini. Oh, gue merasa yang lantai 1 yang lebih gede. Ya kan?
Okay, living room, and then we go down.
Ini tadi masih bingung, ya, TV-nya mau taruh mana.
Iya sih. Tapi we'll figure that out lah. Okay, first room. Dude, it's the same. It's small. It's same as 104.
No, it's not that small. This will fit my bed. Tapi ini nggak ada closet.
Yang mana?
Kamar ini nggak ada closet.
Oke, bentar. Okay. Okay. My alarm, your keys. There's no closet?